Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem faced by many Python developers. The issue at hand involves pre-generating and storing Matplotlib figures, only to encounter a stumbling block when trying to display them on a keyboard event. It seems to work initially, but unfortunately, it fails after the first key press, leaving us scratching our heads over what could be going wrong. The solution to this conundrum lies in a clever workaround that involves fully replacing the figure and reconnecting the key _press event. By implementing the provided code snippet in the redraw function, we ensure that the figure is properly updated and the key press event is reconnected, allowing for smooth navigation through the stored Matplotlib figures. This adjustment helps circumvent the error that was plaguing our previous approach, providing a more stable and reliable solution to our problem. In summary, by making a small tweak to the way we handle figure updates and key press events, we were able to overcome the error that was hindering our progress. Hopefully, this solution will help you navigate similar challenges in your own Python projects. Remember, staying adaptable and open to new approaches is key to overcoming coding hurdles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy coding,